Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have iPhone problem headphone mode, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to unplug your headphones, and just if you're using wireless headphones, you just need to go to Bluetooth. Just find Bluetooth here. So just turn it off and pair and unpair and turn on again. So just pair again your device. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try another way. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. Also, you can try to update your iPhone. So just go to the settings, just go to the general again, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.